The MC45 is a concrete milling machine utilized for cutting out spalled joints and removing concrete. It can cut up to 1.5 inches deep and 1.5 inches in width in a single pass. The MC45 offers versatility by allowing the use of various blade and spacer combinations, providing adjustable cut widths. Powered by a 120-volt, 15 AM Metabo gear reduction grinder, it delivers reliable performance. With a production speed of 2 feet per minute at a width of 1 inch by ½ an inch deep, the MC45 efficiently completes tasks. Its heavy-duty steel frame ensures durability, while the unique wheel configuration allows for smooth navigation over existing cuts and joints. The Multi-Trowel, a groundbreaking curved trowel that provides unmatched versatility in shaping surfaces of all kinds. With adjustable concave, convex, and combination shapes, it effortlessly handles tasks like finishing domes, curved walls, and more. Weighing in at a mere 1.2 pounds, it is exceptionally lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended use. Swift blade changes allow you to adapt to different project requirements within seconds. Meticulously crafted from durable stainless steel, the Multi-Trowel guarantees long-lasting performance. Its easy disassembly facilitates quick and thorough cleaning, ensuring optimal functionality. The Boltstar Square Foundation Edition, a reusable anchor bolt template that revolutionizes the process of setting 4 anchor bolts in square forms, piers, spread footings, and pads for industrial machinery and equipment. With its innovative design, this tool incorporates over 40 templates directly into its functionality, providing exceptional versatility. It can easily accommodate anchor bolts with a diameter of up to 1 inch, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The Boltstar Square Foundation Edition stands out as a reliable and durable tool, designed to withstand the demands of construction projects while offering significant time and cost savings for contractors. The Flex Giraffes offer unparalleled ease of use, providing optimal maneuverability and balance, making them a top choice. They are versatile, suitable for a wide range of applications, and deliver consistent quality with flawless work results. The Handy Giraffe and the battery-powered Giraffe feature an interchangeable head system that enables effortless edge, corner, and border processing, as well as rotary and eccentric sanding. This feature ensures swift and efficient work, delivering clean and precise results. The Total Tools Air Concrete Nailer, TAT 8641, is a formidable pneumatic nailer explicitly engineered for use in concrete, masonry, and other challenging materials. It operates with a compressed air compressor operating at a pressure range of 5 to 8 bars, effectively driving nails up to a length of 64 millimeters. The nailer boasts a comfortable grip and a lightweight design, ensuring effortless usage even during prolonged periods. Its versatility and power make it an ideal tool for an array of applications, including framing walls, installing siding, attaching roofing, constructing decks, installing fencing, hanging doors, and securing furniture. The FLUKE TiS75 Plus is a top-tier thermal imaging camera designed to meet the needs of professionals across various industries. Whether you're an electrician, mechanic, or HVAC technician, this camera provides swift identification of hot spots, cold spots, and temperature anomalies. Its high-resolution thermal sensor captures clear and detailed thermal patterns, while the large touchscreen display enables easy navigation and on-site image review. The FLUKE TiS75 Plus offers multiple color palettes, a built-in laser pointer for precise temperature measurement, and Smart View software for image analysis and reporting. The Pinza Demolitrice 52 kilograms is a heavy-duty demolition plier designed for breaking up tough materials like concrete and masonry. It features a powerful hydraulic system generating up to 52,000 pounds of force. With a comfortable grip and lightweight design, it offers ease of use during extended periods. This versatile tool is ideal for various applications including concrete breaking, masonry removal, building demolition, debris clearance, and construction preparation. The Pinza Demolitrice 52 kilograms is reliable and durable, backed by a 1-year warranty. However, it's important to note that proper training is necessary for safe usage, as it can be dangerous if not used correctly. The Portable Sleepers Drilling Machine FTP 950 is a lightweight and user-friendly device designed for efficient and precise drilling of holes in wooden railway sleepers. It is equipped with a powerful Honda 4-stroke engine and a high-speed reducer, ensuring maximum torque and accuracy. Safety features, including a centrifugal clutch, throttle lever with engine safety lock, and quick uncoupling spindle for the drill bit, are incorporated. This machine is ideal for railway maintenance crews, contractors, and even DIY enthusiasts seeking to repair or upgrade railway sleepers. With its lightweight design and ease of use, the FTP 950 is a reliable and versatile solution for achieving fast and accurate results. FARBEPLAST Plan, produced by Metalback and Farb, is a cold plastic road marking material that utilizes methyl methacrylate as its base. This bicomponent material, known as FARBEPLAST Plan, can be applied for various road markings such as longitudinal markings through extrusion, as well as transverse markings including horizontal road signs, pedestrian crossings, bicycle lanes, parking spaces, and more. With its exceptional durability, FARBEPLAST Plan is highly recommended for road markings in areas with heavy traffic, whether on roads or highways. The HB1 is a versatile semi-autonomous robot capable of climbing various surfaces like brick, concrete, and steel. With a payload capacity of up to 6 kilograms, it is well suited for tasks such as painting, inspection, and surveying. Equipped with advanced sensors including a camera, ultrasonic sensors, and a laser scanner, the HB1 can effectively navigate its surroundings and avoid obstacles. Offering a safe, efficient, and cost-effective solution, the HB1 is an ideal choice for inspecting, painting, or surveying buildings and structures. The Nozzle Plus Silicone Caulking Tool, a set of 3 non-stick nozzles for precise application of silicone caulk. The set includes a scraper and a surface cleaning blade. Attach the nozzle to the caulking gun, dispense the caulk, and guide it accurately. Remove excess caulk with the scraper and achieve a smooth finish with the cleaning blade. These tools are versatile, durable, and easy to clean. Enjoy their affordability and professional results. Nozzle Plus, the perfect silicone caulking companion. A Beton roller tamp is a heavy tool used to compact and level concrete, featuring ridges or bumps on the surface. It removes air bubbles and water, creating a smooth, even surface. It can also add texture for decorative purposes. Benefits include surface smoothness, improved concrete strength, and decorative possibilities. Consider the right size and apply even pressure during use. Clean the roller after each use. Types include hand-operated, power-operated, and self-propelled roller tamps. Choose based on job size and personal preference. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.